Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I'm just looking at some of my NASCAR racing cars. I've picked them up from Walmart, I think a couple of years ago. They were like $4 or $5, I'm not quite sure now. They're NASCAR Authentics Next Generation. I've got 5 models. They're all either a Mustang or a Corvette. So a Ford Mustang or a Chevy Corvette. I've got a number 43 Chevy, and the driver is Eric Jones. Then I've got a 21 Ford Mustang, and the driver is Harrison Burton. Then I've got a 42 Corvette. Driver is Ty Dillon. Then I've got a 99 Corvette. Driver is Daniel Suarez. Then I've got the last one is number 12 Ford Mustang, and the driver is Ryan Blaney. Alright, I'll open them up, look at them individually, and as always I'll pop them on the turntable for you guys to get a 360 look. So yeah, let's go ahead and get them out of the blister packaging. Okay, I'll start off with the Chevy Corvette number 43. It's got a US Air Force beautiful military color scheme. I really love racing cars, guys. That's the reason I bought them. Beautiful color schemes and livery. So yeah, and I think the brand itself is called NASCAR Authentics. Obviously they're all made in China. So yeah, Eric Jones is the driver. I'll get him out of the pack and give you guys a closer look. Just thought I'll quickly show you the back. That's the whole set. There's probably about 9 in there, yep. But when I was at Walmart, they only had these 5, so I just grabbed what I could. Yeah, I think it's mostly Mustangs and Corvettes in this series. There could be other brands and models in other series, but yeah, this is what I got. Alright, that's the car, guys. Beautiful military green, 43 number, US Air Force. I love the Goodyear on the tires. No side mirrors, but it's okay because I guess it's just a racing car. Everything is just high impact painting. There's no plastic or anything like that. It's just beautiful livery and decals. Tail lights, headlights, and everything else is just painted upon. I thought the base or chassis would be metal as well, but they're not as heavy as your Auto World and Johnny Lightnings or Greenlight collectibles, but still a pretty good release. Quite happy with it. Yeah. Alright, I'll put them on the turntable. And these also come with these cool stickers. You can probably go on my son's notebooks or maybe his backpack. I'll probably just throw on the fridge. Okay, the next car is a number 21 Ford Mustang. Harrison Burton is the driver. Looks pretty neat. It's got the Mustang logo, tail lights. Pretty neat, guys. It's also got the free sticker as well. Dex Imaging, probably one of the sponsors. All right, let's take a closer look. That's the car, guys. Beautiful white and red color scheme with plenty of decals, being a racing car. Beautiful gloss finish. Once again, just impact painting. There's no plastic anything. So, yeah. All right, turntable time. All right, before I move on to the next car, I forgot to show you guys the sticker that came along with the previous one. Cool. All right, let's look at another Chevy Corvette. This one's number 42. Driver is Ty Dillon. It's pretty bright. I love it. That's the car, guys. Beautiful green and orange color scheme. It's got pretty decent livery as well. Got the Chevy logo, grille all painted. Chevy Camaro. Overall, pretty neat finishes, guys. I'm quite happy with it. No issues whatsoever. I would love to see the metal base, but they've decided to go with plastic. But still pretty collectible and pretty neat. And before I forget, that's the sticker that came with it. The driver's name, the number 42, and the sponsor. All right, I'll put him on the turntable. All right, moving on. The next one is also a Chevy Camaro. I thought they were Corvettes, but obviously I was wrong. Looks pretty neat as well. Number 99, Daniel Suarez. Tootsie's is the sponsor. All right, let's take a closer look. That's the car, guys. Purple is one of my favorite colors, so absolutely loving this model. And the relays, it's just beautiful, purple and white. They've got a nice Tootsie's Orchid Lounge livery on the hood. Chevy logo grille, headlights, livery all around the car. $99 on the top of the roof. Beautiful, guys. And that's the sticker that came along with it. All right, turntable time. All right, we're down to the last one, or the last car in today's unboxing video, and this is a Mustang as well. Number 12, Ryan Blaney is the driver. This one's got plenty of black and yellow. Livery and color scheme. Looks pretty neat as well. I wish they had more models and colors in pretty much the whole set when I visited, but sadly only had these 5 left on the pegs, so I just picked them all up. Alright, let's take a closer look. That's the car, guys. A close-up look. Beautiful livery and color scheme. I'm loving the contrast, black and yellow. Nicely done, well finished model and car. It's just beautiful. And before I forget, that's the sticker that came along with it. Alright, I'll put the last car on the turntable now. Alright guys, those are the cars we had to look at today. I've put both the Mustangs together, and then we had the 3 Chevy Camaros. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all, and I shall catch you in my next video. I'm thinking of going back to basics, so I'll probably be looking at some Hot Wheels basics in my next video. So stay tuned. If you like it, do subscribe and comment, and share it with your family, friends, and fellow diecast enthusiasts. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.